just some improper unboxing therapy while I wait for some thermal adhesive, silicone based, to settle. Yeah, that's in this project or video card link. Yeah, anyway, my old backup discs were 2.5-inch 2 terabytes, and they got too small, so I bought the cheapest possible discs from Intenso. So yeah, Intenso portable hard drive, and they go for 99 bucks here in Germany. And they're really the cheapest. So they are 10, 20, 30 bucks cheaper than the offerings from Seagate or Western Digital. And since I have two, because then I have an even and odd backup, which I circulate, I thought, what the hell, let's try it. Okay, Intenso also sells power links, power banks, power links. Huh. Nice blister pack. It's obviously meant for resale. I mail ordered it, not from China, from a very trustworthy German source, and it comes with an USB 3.0 cable, which is short. Yeah, I will put the exact measurements somewhere here, but that's not even 2 feet, is it? Probably not. And then comes the hard disk, which is 3.5 inch. Yeah, I'm believing that, but it's fat. It's really, really fat. Oh, there's even a user manual. Okay, I guess we can skip that. So, nice big LED in the corner. Just for size comparison, wait a second. That's the new Intenso, which is by far the longest, with 12.5 centimeter. Then comes there's nothing in here but spare parts. Yeah, if you can call it spare parts. That's a 4 gigabyte contemporary Western Digital My Passport, which comes in 10.5 centimeter about-ish, maybe 11. I don't know. Yeah, let's say 11. And here is my old Toshiba 2 gig, which comes in at a little bit longer than the Western Digital. Yeah, almost 12 centimeters. So in width there is not much of a difference. I mean, maybe the My Passport is no, not really. No, they are all about 7.5 centimeters. In thickness, there is a great difference, I fear. And yeah, this normally goes flush. So the top of the case goes flush with the bottom. So you can only count that much. And again, the passport is 2 centimeters. That new Intenso is also about 2 centimeters. And my old Toshiba, only 2 gig, was only, yeah, well, a little over 1.5, 1.6, 1.7 centimeters. So less platters, you don't need the thickness. So let me put that away and then, hey, Intenso. Memory case, 4 terabytes. Yeah, let me get the notebook and see if we can get this thing working on Windows 7, because I'm still on Windows 7. Thank God. So it comes pre-formatted as FAT32 and I connected it to my ThinkPad notebook with Windows 7 and it's exactly, yeah, 4 terabytes in, yeah, the usual decimal counting the hard disk vendors use. So in binary counting, only 3.63 terabyte. And yeah, that FAT formatting has to go. I'll try to format that with something better. So it also formats with NTFS, no problem, same free memory, and Windows 7 suggested a 4K block size. Yeah, no problem. 4 gig external USB disk seems to work. So that was the unboxing and short functional test of the Intenso memory case, 4 terabyte in a rather large 2.5-inch format, and yeah, it's okay. Bye.